I'm Neil McGregor. I'm the Chief Engineer from Ricardo, and I was the lead engineer for the Steel Motive program. I just want to talk a little bit about some of the design features of the Steel Motive and the Steel Motive body structure. So it's probably one of the world's first clean sheet designs of fully autonomous vehicles and bodies. It takes into consideration all of the different design freedoms that we've got with autonomous vehicles. So one of them is the ability for us to position the occupants in any position. So with a conventional vehicle, normally we've got the front occupants facing forward, but with this autonomous vehicle, we opted to position the front occupants right at the front of the vehicle and rear facing. And what that did is it allowed to create a very open and spacious interior, maximising the space of the vehicle and the structure. But when you move the occupants to that position, it creates some challenges. So firstly, you've got the occupants much closer to the front crash zone, so they're closer to the impact zone. So the engineering team had to put a lot of effort into designing the front crash structure that you see here in order to protect the front occupants. Another design feature that we had to do, because we put the occupants in the front, we wanted to allow the occupants to get in and out of the vehicle very easily. So we actually removed the B pillar. So typically on a normal vehicle, you have a structure here, the B pillar. We removed that from the body in white, and we put that B pillar into the doors. The role of the B pillar is for side crash. So what that does is, with the side doors that aren't shown on this structure, it does create a very wide door aperture, and it significantly improves ingress and egress from the vehicle. Some other design features, with the opening spacious interior, we wanted to engineer a very flat floor so that we didn't have any trip hazards in there. And the way that we did that is the structural cross members that are typically above the floor, like the seat cross members, they're actually underneath, so there's some martensitic grade roll formed and roll stamped cross members that are underneath, and that allows us to get this very flat floor structure. So that's just showing a couple of features, a couple of unique design features of the Steel Motive SEM1 body structure.